Hello and welcome to Factorio Space Age. In my previous video, I showcased this blueprint that makes you quality products without having to use quality ingredients. And Bill Edwards commented that since these four assemblers are gonna stand mostly idle, it would probably be a good idea to, instead of using four different ones for the four different qualities, you should use one assembler for all the different qualities and then just switch the recipe based on, well, yeah, what ingredients you have available. And I thought that was a really good idea, so I sat down and I made this one. And this blueprint is better in two ways. One, it's a bit smaller, so that's obviously better if you're gonna build quite a few of these. And two, it requires 8 less quality modules, since instead of using quality modules in all of these 3, you only need to use it in 1, which eliminates the need for these 8, which is also obviously a really good thing. So we're gonna stamp it down and see how it works. So for consistency, we're gonna use substations here as well. Let's say 50, 20, 10, and 5, and 2. And we're gonna request 20 times the amount of ingredients required for one substation. And when we build this, we're gonna see that soon enough we're gonna get some ingredients inbound, and it's gonna start to get to work. So the way it works is the exact same in this segment. It's almost identical, I think. And then based on what we have in this chest, we're gonna set the recipe of this assembler when we have enough to make the product in a certain quality. And we're gonna see that when this chest fills up with uncommon ingredients, soon enough, when we have enough to make one substation, it's gonna get set to make substations in uncommon quality, and then it's gonna get reset. And on the surface, that's how it works, but we're gonna dive a tiny bit deeper and explain how this actually works. And it's quite simple, the idea of it, at least. So we're reading two things. We're reading what ingredients it takes to make a substation here, and we are then transferring that signal into the different qualities. So uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary. We are then reading what we have in this chest, as well as the inserter and assembler, just for good measure. And we are multiplying what it takes to make substation by -1, and then we are adding that to what we have of each quality. So the result of that is that the second that all the ingredients for one quality item surpasses 0, so when it turns positive, then we're gonna output that type of product and set the recipe. So that's why we are multiplying by -1 here, and then that sets the recipe. And as always, the blueprint is gonna be available for free in the description. And if you decide to use it, please consider leaving a like and maybe subscribing. That would make me really happy. And with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.